everyone, it's Charlie Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I'm going to be doing a review slash try on haul from a company called Zeelool. Okay, so I'm so excited to review them because I hear only good things about them. When they reached out to me, I was super excited because, like I said, I heard good things about them before. And so when they reached out to me, I went to their website. So first of all, what caught my eye was like all the different like styles. They have so many different styles, so many different shapes, so many different colors. Besides all the different styles and colors that they have, I noticed that it was very affordable. So like I wear prescription glasses, okay, and my glasses be $300–400 sometimes by the time it's, you know, all over and done with. All right, so when I seen the prices, I was like, oh yeah, I would definitely work with them. If you have a prescription, you can put your prescription in. If you do not have a prescription, it's fine. You can just order them zero power, okay? Okay, so let me get started because, y'all, I cannot see anything, okay? I hope I'm looking in the right spot because, girl, I cannot see anything. My prescription is like a negative 4.0 in my right eye, and I believe the left is negative 4.75 or something like that. So let me show you how it came packaged and how everything looked when I first received it. First pair that I'm going to try on. Ooh, it's cute. Okay, they have like a little plastic on them. So the first pair. Ooh, I really like them. Okay, so right away when I pulled them out of the little packaging, I noticed like how good the quality is. It's very nice quality. It's fitting comfortable behind my ear. I don't know if you guys can see the detail of these glasses, but they are cute. And I'm wearing my lashes underneath, and it's not touching, like it's not bothering my lashes. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know which ones that y'all like the best on me, okay? So I really don't know what's my favorite style yet. Like, all I know is I like wider glasses, but okay, so let's move on to the next pair. Oh, I thought it was like a yellow gold, but it's not. You have to peel this off. Okay, so I like these two. These are cute. It's giving me like that cat eye. So these are, it's like black with the little gold trim. I really like how comfortable they are. They snug, they fit just right, and it's very comfortable. Like my nose is very comfortable on my nose also. If you wear glasses, you know. Okay, so the next pair I'm gonna show you is Tandy, and I'm gonna give you a close-up. At first I thought it was very similar to these that I tried on first, but it's not. Okay, I'm gonna show you all. So of course you have to take off the little clear packaging. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like, oh, the design is so cute on these. I mean, it was cute on this also, but they're very cute on these. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see. They have like this gold design right here. I'll show you guys close up. But at the bottom, it's like clear. All of this part is clear, like under here. And then the design starts. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Okay, yeah, I like these also. So just like the other pairs, this one is the same. Very comfortable, very comfortable. The material is a very high quality. They don't feel cheap at all. The design is so nice. I love the detail. Like, oh my goodness, these are too cute. So if you don't like this color, which is very nice, it's like brown and black and clear, it's so nice. But if you don't like this color, they also have different colors you could choose from in this same style. To say that all of their lens are affordable, the quality is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the next pair. Oh, okay, so these are different. This one is called Dexter. Oh, okay, it's different. Oh, this green color. This color is very pretty. Like I said, I love big glasses, so yeah. It's like this lime green color, and then like at the bottom is this white color. Different, but I will wear them. I would definitely rock these. Nice quality, just like the rest of them. Very comfortable. Yes. Okay, so this pair is very different. This is the last pair. Ooh, it's colorful. Okay, so when I took this pair out of the packaging, I was like, these are different. Look at the detail. This is like out of my comfort zone, but it's cute, y'all. They have so many different styles, as you can see. Okay, so I am back from trying on all 5 pairs, and I must say I am very impressed. Okay, like the quality of these glasses are amazing for the price. So if you're looking for some affordable glasses, definitely check them out. They have so many different styles, so many different colors. Like, you will find something on their website. Okay, so and if anyone is like me, like always editing videos, always on the computer, they offer the blue light blocking, so that is amazing. So in the description bar, I will leave a link to each pair that I tried on, and I also have a coupon code for you guys, so take advantage of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye bye.